In this video, I want to share with you how a shift in mindset helped me move from frustration to discovery. Not only did I enjoy painting a lot more, but I stumbled on a new idea that I'm really excited to take back into the studio.
One of the challenges I'm having today is that there are no clouds. I usually love to include clouds in my landscapes, but the sky is blue and there are no clouds in sight whatsoever. So I'm going to have to find something else to focus on and make the subject of my painting. And this time of the year, everything is green, green, green. There's so many different greens in the late spring, early summer, and I'm feeling quite overwhelmed by all the greens. So I'm gonna start here by sitting and looking around and thinking about what I find interesting and if there's anything that captures my attention. This is an exploratory trip, so I'm not expecting to make any like really great art or anything like that, but I want to capture some of the raw, unfiltered feelings that I have when I'm outside in the landscape. So, first off, I'll start by looking around, seeing if there's anything that catches my attention. And I'll start recording those using watercolor and pencil. So, let's get started.
I set out expecting to find something familiar, maybe some big dramatic clouds or contrasting colors that I could really explore with my paint. But when I got here, none of that was around. So honestly, I was a bit disappointed at first. The landscape felt a little empty and a little uninspiring to me. But I decided to paint anyway, and that choice completely changed my day. I went ahead and worked on a couple of small studies just to get the brush moving, but my heart wasn't really in it. I realized I was still clinging on to the idea of what I wanted to see instead of really observing what was actually in front of me. I was painting with my expectations, not my eyes. By this time, I consciously made the decision to let go of those expectations. I told myself, just respond to the shapes, the light, the atmosphere. I loosened up and started making some bolder marks, more contrast, and bolder color choices as well, focusing more on mood than details. And something shifted. I started to enjoy the process again and getting rid of that overthinking. It reminded me that painting doesn't have to be about chasing the perfect landscape. It's about being present with what is. After this little pep talk with myself and with that new mindset, the next couple of paintings flowed more naturally. These were looser and closer to my usual style, more structured on compositions, but still influenced by that more relaxed and exploratory approach. And here's what surprised me. I started using purple and blue violet, colors I never reach for in my studio acrylic paintings. Out here they felt just right. The coolness and atmospheric light was simply calling for it. So now I'm really excited because I think there's something here that I want to explore more when I'm back home in the studio. A whole new color idea opened up just by being flexible today. This painting session started with disappointment, but ended up being one of the most enjoyable painting days I've had in a while. It reminded me that staying open and responsive, not just to the landscape, but to my own process, can lead to real growth. Sometimes the best discoveries happen when we let go of our usual habits and just kind of see what happens. I hope this encourages you to try the same the next time you're out painting or even just working from home.
It's time to pack up and go back home. Lunchtime coming up. And guess who decided to show up now that I'm leaving? Yes, my beloved clouds. But that just goes to show that painting outdoors, or any day painting really, there's always something unexpected happening. And the best thing we can do is just to learn to try and go with the flow and get the best out of it that we can. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video.
Also, if you haven't already, please feel free to download my free painting guide called 5 Proven Ways to Loosen Up Your Painting Style. The guide is a PDF file that you can download for free via my website. You can see the link below the video here. And it has my top favorite ways of loosening up your painting style and really enjoying your painting time even more. You learn how to troubleshoot and a lot more. So if you haven't already, check out the guide via the link below the video here, and thank you very much for watching.